Manipur holds 70th Republic Day celebrations amid boycott and general strike. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren calls to hold discourse on CAP 2016 instead of boycotts and strikes. General strike and boycott called by various insurgent groups against 70th Republic Day celebrations cripple normal life in Manipur. Multiple bomb blasts hit Manipur amid tight security measures in view of 70th Republic Day celebrations. No casualty reported. A team of 160 volunteers of AMSU, MSF, DESAM, KSA, SUK, AIMS and various women organizations leave for Delhi to intensify agitation against CAP 2016. And ceremonial rituals marked 104th birth anniversary of Rani Gaidinlu. Attendees expressed sadness at the deteriorating condition of Rani Gaidinlu Park. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Manipur today celebrated the 70th Republic Day amidst the boycott called by various underground outfits under strict security. Celebrations of the day were also held in several district headquarters. The main event was held at Dikanglaw with Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah as the chief guest. The governor inspected the Guard of Honor and unfurls the tricolor. She took the salute of the march part of 74 contingents, including contingents of various police and military forces, led by MPTC Additional Director Thaimei Gaipuri Kabui, MPS, as the parade commander. 20 cultural troops participated in the parade. 17 tableaux depicting the themes of various schemes were also displayed during the celebration. However, not even a single government or private college took part in the Republic Day celebration. Many police officers and personnel were also felicitated during the celebration. A 7th IRB Jamadar Muhammad Gyasuddin was conferred with President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service, while Police Medal for Meritorious Service were awarded to 1st Manipur Rifles Deputy Commandant Suresh Thapa, 3rd IRB Subedar Sorok Haibam Sarachandra, MPTO ASI Laifrakpam Devishore, 7th IRB Havildar Anaubam Bhomen, Head Constable of Imphal West District Police Kaisham Brojen, and Head Constable of Chorachandpur District Police Koltian Thang Waife. Various proscribed groups and 5 civil society organizations boycotted today's Republic Day celebration. People thronged to watch the spectacular parade.
Tableau and cultural troupe. देवी प्रचलित होते हैं भगवान की the beautiful scene is witnessed बैंकुल तथा गौसिम नामक पार्टी भूतुलाम कई प्रतिष्ठित presenting the dance पर यह नृत्य गान गाए उनके सदृश यह नृत्य करते Wi-Fi cultural troupe concept which was first launched in Manipur select universities into world comprising of the Manipur Yojana Health Scheme and initiated successfully in Manipur. The next tableau, approximately solid wedge management, only one simple example of light use program in PMG, science laboratories, smart Assistant Director, Lieutenant Commander.
Ex-servicemen contingent comprising of Army, Air Force and Navy ex-servicemen from Ukhrul, Chandel, Senapati, Churachandpur, Kakching and Bishnupur districts took part in today's 70th Republic Day celebration wearing black suits. Office of the Deputy Commissioner, Imphal West District, in a press release notified that for the various categories of competitions held during the Republic Day celebration today, for the March Past category in uniform category, BSF contingent got the first position. In Mahila contingent category, CRPF female contingent got the first position. In NCC group, 14 Battalion, NCC senior boys and girls got the top slot. In school contingent, Manipur Public School National Sports Academy boys and Khonjin High School got the top spot. In cultural troop, Wi-Fi cultural troop got the first place. In gate construction, forest department got the first position, and in tableau display, relief and disaster management SDRF got the top slot. The nation celebrated the 70th Republic Day with patriotic fervor and gaiety. The main function was organized at Rajpath in the national capital. President Ramnath Kovind took the salute of the parade and the flight past. South African President Cyril Ramaphosa was the chief guest at the parade this year. The Republic Day parade ceremony commenced with Prime Minister Narendra Modi leading the nation in paying homage to the martyrs by laying a wreath at the Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate. As per the tradition, after unfurling of the national flag by the President, the national anthem was played with a 21-gun salute. Lance Naik Nazir Ahmad Wani of Jammu and Kashmir was posthumously conferred with the Ashoka Chakra, India's highest peacetime gallantry award, by President Kovind. The parade started from Vijay Chowk and proceeded towards the Red Fort grounds. The parade was commanded by Lieutenant General Asit Mistry, General Officer Commanding Headquarters, Delhi area. This year, veterans of Indian National Army who fought valiantly against the imperial forces also took part in Republic Day parade. Theme of this year's Republic Day celebration tableau was Gandhi, marking the 150th birth anniversary of Father of the Nation. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren condemned the boycotting of Republic Day celebration against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. He urged everyone to instead hold discourse on how to prevent Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 from affecting the state. He expressed concerns that calling off bans and blockades in Imphal Valley affect normal life in the whole state, bringing plights to daily wages and creating animosity among inhabitants. Biren assured that the state government is trying its best not to let CAP 2016 affect the state. He said efforts are on to get black and white a written assurance from the centre, stating that citizenship will not be granted without the consent of the state government, even after the bill is enacted into an act. Biren also stressed the need for legal experts to raise awareness about the bill to people. In his vote of thanks speech at the 70th Republic Day celebration held at 1st Manipur Rifles ground today, Chief Minister Nongthong Biren lauded the March Past contingents for their vibrant performance.
Manipur People's Bill, Athuba matamne SNPBO, aduga loinana, karigma bill sina Manipur sokpa taragadi madu sokpa yaro haiba close. Bharat Sarkar na Home Ministry dagi, akhoi any state amada, particularly Northeast labor states in the karigamba citizen bill siga mari lainaba pon lakpa matamda state government gi ayaba logani, state government gi ayaba logna thabuk tawroi haiba pon ama yamna clear cut lakrabadina, ai lamdam sige silnaw daina appeal tawningi, hai bado akhoi black and white fajana in the government dagi, lower kanda Madugi, Bildugi rules Samakoda happen Gera, a man Tauruga happen Jadu Mogi, in the government Nimatoni, Sao Rama Baraki, Bangladesh the Gilapa, Prazamaya, the Pakistan the Gilapa, Wad and a cup to the Shido in the Selako Mando, Sanjava, Birunu, Habide Langani.
Imphal East District also joined the 70th Republic Day celebration today at district headquarters Porampat. DC Imphal East DH Chitra unfurled the tricolor flag and took salute of 17 parade contingents led by Parade Commander, Deputy Superintendent of Imphal East Police CAR Khutheibam Farooq Ali. Speaking on the occasion, DC DH Chitra stated that India is marching ahead in various sectors like military, science and technology, sports, health sectors, etc. She added, Manipur is improving in education, health, sports, road conditions, transport and communication under the present government. Chitra also assured that various developmental projects are underway for the district. She asserted that Imphal East District tops in the education sector of the state and the rate of enrollment of students in government schools is also increasing in the state. She said the district is also advancing in health sector. She also appreciated the district for winning the championship title of Under-14 Subroto Cup football tournament. The Deputy Commissioner urged all the officials to work earnestly. She appealed for public support in all the undertakings of the district administration.
Imphal East District Huzik Education gi mahi maisingi lamda khoina yengba matamda akoi district asida government aided school gi apunba masingsi khoi gi sahumga nifutaruk 346 schools ni masigi manungda government gi oiba school na 268 ni aduna hairiba school asida akoina haukiba yamna tena sahi ani ahum asida yengba matamda school asida akoi ahongba afabaromda akoi gi improvement development se akoi uba phangje.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee also joined in the 70th Republic Day celebrations at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today. 104th birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinlu was also observed on the occasion. MPCC President T.N. Haukib unfurled the Indian tricolor flag and attendees paid floral tributes at the portrait of Rani Gaidinlu. Speaking on the occasion, former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby stressed on the significance of the day when the Indian Constitution came into effect. He said the birth anniversary of Rani Gaidinlu was observed in honor of her gallantry during India's freedom struggle.
Mudra Suba Bharati Ninka Tamba Madugi Nongai Koi Kudima Mapung Pana Pangjabase. Saktokshaningaini Bharat Basi Amawana. Republic Day celebration Tawuga Iroinana. Bharat Asi Ninka Tamnanaba Hotnabada Mapunsi Katokraba Adugumba Mahapurush Singh Haibatare. Mahatma Gandhina Singba Manipuri context the Harga Rani Gaidilugum Sigumba freedom fighter Singh Mama Lebakidam Katokraba Jingdo Muhoina Katok Pirambaduna Nasi Bharat Asi Koi Bharat Basini Haiduna Koi Madugi Nungaiba Humdra Suba Republic Day do Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na organized to Biduna Koi Pangtok ceremony.
High Court of Manipur also celebrated India's 70th Republic Day at the courts complex this morning. Chief Justice Ramalingam Sudhakar unfurled the national flag and paid Rashtriya salute. Justice Lanusukam Jamir, Justice K.H. Nobin, Attorney General, judges of the High Court and senior advocates were also present on the occasion. District Administration Bishnupur also joined in the Republic Day celebration at Old Mini Secretariat ground amid boycott by various proscribed outfits and CSOs today. DC Pawan Yadav, IAS, unfurled the national tricolor flag and received a salute of the parade contingents led by SDPO Bishnupur Lakshmi as parade commander. Churachandpur district also held the 70th Republic Day celebration with patriotic fervor and gaiety at the public ground of Hyangtam Lamka in Churachandpur district. today. DC Churachandpur Shyamlal Punia unfurled the country's tricolor flag on the occasion. Contingents of BSF, ex-servicemen, civil police, BDF, IRB, band party, NCC and school students took part in the Republic Day parade. Kangpokpi district also joined in the 70th Republic Day celebration today. ADC Kangpokpi Joel G. Haukip unfurled the tricolor flag at the celebration held at Kangpokpi DC complex. Jiribam district also joined in the 70th Republic Day celebration today. DC Jiribam Robert Singh Khetrimayum unfurled the tricolor flag to mark the day at Jiribam Higher Secondary School ground. Thoubal district also joined in the 70th Republic Day celebration at Mini Secretariat Complex in Thoubal district headquarters today. DC Thoubal Haubam Roshita unfurled the tricolor flag and received parade of 18 contingents comprising of state police, home guards, NCC and school students. General strike and boycott in connection with the 70th Republic Day celebration called by various insurgent groups including Korkom, Asuk and other civil society organizations affected normal life in Manipur today. Major markets of the state bore a deserted look. All shops were closed and business transactions came to a standstill. All pumps were also shut down. Vehicles including inter-district and interstate passenger service remain off the roads except for few private vehicles. General strike imposed by various proscribed groups against the 70th Republic Day celebration also affected normal life in Thoubal district. Shops at main business centers of the district like Thoubal Wangjing, Kangabok remained shut down and business activities came to a standstill. Roads bore a deserted look and district police kept a strict vigil to avoid unwanted incidents. Suspected insurgent groups planted bombs in various parts of Imphal Valley since last evening amid tight security measures in connection with the 70th Republic Day celebration. Fortunately, there is no casualty reported despite bomb explosion in 4 different areas. A bomb exploded near Lamphel Powerhouse under Lamphel Police Station, Imphal West last night around 8, following which an IED exploded near 25 Battalion BRTF office fencing in Lamphel around 12:50 this afternoon. The IED was planted among the bricks stacked up along the roadside, which belongs to brick and sand businessman C.H. Naba from Langmeidong, who is presently residing at Thangmaiban, Khomdram, Salungba, Lekai. There was a bomb explosion at Yaripok Santa Bazaar in Thoubal district around 5 this morning and another in Singjamay Wangma, Thongkhong Khetri Lekai under Porompat Police Station in Imphal East around 6:50 a.m. today. Manipur Police Bomb Squad team inspected all the explosion sites and investigations are underway. Separate cases were registered. No one has claimed responsibility for the explosion so far. Secretary Comrade of Central Media Coordinator of People's War Group Marxist Center, Lenin Meitei, in a press release clarified that Ningthaujam Amarjit Elias Apikpa, son of Ningthaujam Borajao, arrested by a team of Thoubal police on January 26, has no connection whatsoever with the proscribed group and that there is no member with the name Amarjit Elias Apikpa in the group. Entry restrictions imposed by police personnel as part of security measures in view of Republic Day celebration today caused major inconveniences to the public, including media persons. Imphal West police team deployed at Kashampat Junction went to the extent of restricting Impact News staffs from crossing Kashampat Bridge to reach Impact News office located nearby the junction. Heated confrontation ensued between police and journalists who were denied entry despite identifying themselves. Police told the media persons that they were acting as per a strict order of top officials. Those affected by such inconveniences caused by security personnel felt unsure if democracy is still prevalent in Manipur.
I know the legislative Kasavans and Mokdani, hired Bamapamacy, Impact News Key, Office Key, Heck among the labor, Mapamasway, Adungasi in the Midasi, Indiago in a Hundra Suba Republic Day, the Mini, the Midasi, Indiago in a Boom Papa Constitution Lake Kiba, Adugi, Salakalon sings another Hokiba, Adugi, the Minamani, the Midasi Marilena, Hogi, democracy, fourth pillar of the nation, Hana River, made a personal singer, Satoxin Toboda, police personal singer, I think with Peter Privacy. Lebasi in a yam like TV and a loge. Adu Hariba, Beda person in a certain Tobasida, I think police person, I think with Piri Bessie, who Langasem the Yoriba, legislator singer, as a song singer, and me some talk bra have a do. Miango hung ori, Impact News Kidamak, Palm Zariba, Lalpalo Hemongolena, Bisazit, Namarapam, Impact News, Kasampat.
A team of 160 volunteers of AMSU, MSF, Desam, KSA, SUK, AIMS and various women organizations left Imphal today for Delhi to protest passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 and its implementation in Manipur and other northeast states. The team was flagged off around 2:30 p.m. from AMSU head office at DM College campus in a passenger bus. Today, the team, along with Northeast Students Organization, NESO, and various organizations of Northeast states, will take out protest meets against the contentious bill in New Delhi. Speaking to media, AMSU President Manjit Sarangtem expressed disappointment at the lack of any concrete measures by the state government against the bill, despite ongoing agitations by the public. He said protests will be carried out at Parliament Street and Jantar Mantar on January 30. Manjit also disclosed that a second batch of students will leave Imphal for Delhi on January 28 to intensify the agitation and prevent passing of the bill in the upcoming Rajya Sabha session, which begins on January 31st.
Manipur makal mukha kaya ki kungang sing level na sang sila gasu si fog das Manipur lengak na chap chap response makoi ki high rewa sin me bill si foster we have funduk to ba si yaning da funduk poina loina na koi ki miam humna koi mass protest am khak tawna ba koi Delhi ki damak Imphal ngasi ahan ba tang khakyoina koi mahiroi chama ga tara du loina na ima tarik loina na koi thado ni aduga that 20 at timmo khak amuk chala kan da koi that 30 da janchar mandar da koi ong nong poki tongan tongan state sing ki miam go loina na koi Delhi sarkar da Delhi lengak da koi ki awang nong poki miam sing asibu muthat na ba dugum lo sa thari ba lalong sing asibu koi khangal na ba Manipur miam gi adugum lo thonga sing da utluragane.
Meanwhile, people in the state continue to agitate against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Residents and Maira Paibis of Thangmaiban Polem Laikai staged a sit-in at the office of Ima Pantoibi Welfare Youth Center in Thangmaiban constituency today. Protesters demanded not to implement the contentious bill in the state, as the bill is a threat to the indigenous inhabitants. Oinam Maira Paibi Loop also staged a protest meet against CAP 2016 at Oinam Bazaar in Bishnupur district today. Various slogans against the contentious bill were also chanted during the protest. United Development Club and Chakhat Thorang Nupi Khutpu, under the initiative of JCILPS, also carried out protest meet against the contentious bill at Sagolban Sadokpam Lekai Community Hall today. Various placards condemning the bill were displayed during the sit-in. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization in a press release also strongly condemned the CAP 2016 and extended solidarity to the boycotting of Republic Day celebration. Communist Party of India in a press release extended full support to all the movements against CAP 2016 and mentioned that MP D. Raja of the Communist Party of India will take part in protest meet against the bill at Iravat Bhavan complex tomorrow. Ceremonial rites were performed instead of grand celebration this year on the 104th birth anniversary of Rani Gaidinliu in condemnation of the recently passed Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Even a year after the inaugural of Rani Gaidinliu Park by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the park still lacks a marble nameplate. The observance was jointly organized by Kabui Mothers Association KMA and Zaliangrong Union Assam Manipur Nagaland at the park located between Chingmairong Secretariat and the High Court of Manipur. Attendees expressed disappointment at the lack of participation from other communities to observe the day. It may be mentioned that Rani Gaidinliu Park, dedicated to Rongmei woman Rani Gaidinliu from Longkau village of Tamenglong district in honor of her brave sacrifices in the freedom struggle of the country, was inaugurated on March 16, 2018 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Taking part in the event, KMA President Atongpi Kamaipui expressed sadness at the deteriorating condition of the park, including the cracking roofs of the community hall in the park. She expressed disappointment that the defect wall painting of the community was concealed with a flex paper.
Manipur da lairiba pula mak jingmi tammi amatani hairaga manung dadi chin khakta mapan da khakta nungsiram drama le haina khanli yamna thawai nungai.
Taking part in the event, ZUAMN President Amu Kamai expressed disappointment that there is not a single nameplate of the brave woman freedom fighter at the park. He said it is an embarrassment to witness flex paper instead of a marble nameplate at the memorial stone. Amu also said there is no caretaker and no electricity for the park. Drawing the government's attention to look into the matter, he maintained that Rani Gaidinliu might be from Rongmei community, but the brave woman made great sacrifices for the country. The ZUAMN president also assured that KMA and ZUAMN will stand against CAP 2016 to safeguard the native inhabitants.
Narendra Modi na inaugurate away haibigi oina hojik phaba marble plate hojik phaba fix tawdri chehi ama ani shure ado lanai na oibo ordi adugi nungmetigi khodakta fit tawro loigedabani women ge oina India ki Prime Minister laaga hojik phaba marble plate phaba inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi haina tawruga adigi biren ki maming se oina hojik tharai Chief Minister Berengi when say Tarakpa, how did you say Taraktuna, how did art and culture Sina, Masi Sin Maduna Langul Tauri Bese, Yang Mada Ikai Chu Ikaye, Mokoi, woman Ikai Bidi Lirina, a Koi Yang Bapa Ikai Kare.
The state government, in its earnest efforts to bring equal development of both the hills and valley inhabitants, launched various welfare schemes and missions like Go to Village and Go to Hills. However, there are many beneficiaries still deprived of the welfare schemes. A report in this regard.
The country is celebrating 78th Republic Day with pomp and hay today. However, even after over 70 years of India's independence, 48-year-old disabled widow Lairin Lakpam Tamphamani and her disabled daughter are still living a debilitating life in Lamlongai Sabalaikai, Sekmai constituency of Manipur, a state of India which recently celebrated 47th Statehood Day. It is a shocking fact that Tamphamani, who became physically challenged 22 years ago, is yet to get the benefits of any welfare schemes of the government.
Laying but I pagani have the Wakaniva. Although I lying but the Yen I came up pambality boko. A child took the Yadi Kosapa, Mating Kitang Pangvidagati, I see lying Chapapami. Then what is the Patomale higher? Do I know political measure to know high? The Yen had a Jilapaceta. Tada, I sing Pang the Cotti and Hire. Boy Charagatum Hire. And Pontore, Pilatriba Hire. Other is Makatana Mohang. Giasazu Pangri, Gambimbo Pangri, Ewa Bupo, Pajaba Pangri, Chocolani Laure. Ado mayam je chakot je aigi dik ai gumbi mo upilate but ado aigi isha nare ai upilate dana ai chapangam da ina isha ji dikaningi ai cha lising kulum do changi na bada ai puri ji mathoi huli ningon maripo e ani ma mai pale ani ma ai ga lemine amadi hindi ga ki kano to mai brain je beran asama ngang na badai kape.
Other than getting a wheelchair during a disabled fair in December last year and 3.5 set of tin roof seats from the local MLA, no other welfare benefit reached the genuine beneficiary despite assurances during Chief Minister People's Day since she could not produce necessary documents. Tampamani and her nephew expressed a desire for the government officials to ease the process of getting the welfare benefits.
La oh hai baju bara le te dana chatre chapi ngai te dana aju chapa de pacha nga tani bo tu wa ngai khon ngai le ti ayu pai te chatre ba la oh nu nga ba la oh hai ko ne ba chimpi ngai ko pinga ju le ti kai mo pang bu le ti ai mi gi siki mo ju ni ba ja ni na di chalo nang kholo guli chana bai dak chana ba man ti mem de to da to hai ko ai nga si mo da ai mi mang gon da chala ga ai lupa mo siki mo ai dum le ken to chien ba chung ba ma yaw da ga de ai upai le je ti hai ba aduna sangbi da ga la ga khola ga ko ai si na si to lambi lamjing lam tak le ga ju si ai chen bi ngai ko pi ngai ji kem le je ti ba upai le ti ba ai mu lai bok thi ba le te im dong ko ding gi sat na yeng jan da na ko san da na to bi ba ti ai khwai de le ba pha ko ga ni du ma na ju to bi da ka ne na ju khal le yeng jan bi da ga di khoi ji smai sum ta dan le da ba sarkar gi mating mayam le hai da ju sim bi ngai chung bi ngai le te ga di ai ta ri smai na ta do ni
yum si le si khoi mi ma pan ni adu ma pan jimin dai pai tom dan ni dai tala ba gi su dum na sat pa chu chali bani sap ma tam ni sai gi sarkar gi sai ti phangada ba khokada bu ju sai gi sembi na ba sombi na ba lai ta bani na ti jalong ba labi ju khang da bani na sai gi kai gam te health to bin da hai tare awa ba nga ta lai mi na bani na ai ni som sabak chathok gi da ba sarkar sai ta gi kana na kai wa ba mam ti jami ra gam tang adagi yum ji lai ji sat pa ngam da ba ani ni lai si idom sa ka angang si ga poi khoi palap ni lai si lai bi da sarkar gi sai ta gi ngasi bok ta dum khurong sa ba phang da dum lai pa hai tare tang mari lai ba sin khoi gi nang ti jambi ra ga masing Manipur gi kasing koya khudi makta ai gi wara ba ai gi numsa gi khalaga ma mayam ji gi wara ba mayam lai bi sing jam tang yeng hen bi ra ga mai phamam to pa ai gi bigam to pa hak to bi bi ra ga di kitang awa ba kitang ko khadra na mayam thamjani.
Mere launching of welfare schemes will be meaningless if officials and departments concerned do not earnestly execute their duties and ensure that no genuine beneficiary is left out. For reporter Geet and camera person Bishojit Namirakpam, this is Ibetoi Tokchom, Impact News Infal.
Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the deplorable condition of Rims Road. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Despite much improvement in road conditions of Manipur under the BJP-led state government, Rims Road remains deplorable as the road was not maintained after it was dug out for Imphal City's sewerage treatment plant project. Speaking to media, one resident stated that works of the project completed months ago. He said the deplorable condition of the road near Babina Clinic leading up to the diversion point near Rims brings immense inconveniences, including heavy traffic jam during office hours. He also urged the government and the relevant authorities to repair the road during this working season and also to set up a traffic point at the tri-section.
Ado moina ko last thara ne da lambi ting thori ting da tawre adu sem dare ba ado huji lambi di sinba main road oi bani na hospital kari kara mayam ama lai bani na ne lambi se asida yam nungai te ba office timing matam ji dai sida ifut mayam ama haura koi sida da lafa dukan phambi ba mayam se lok thunge dagi lambi chat pa yam nungai te ba si amta khata thuna semba pa me.
Life is certainly not a bed of roses for Chamdanlung Kamsan to face the throes of his ailing wife and blood cancer-stricken minor daughter. Impact News reporter Donald and camera person Henry bring you a glimpse into the plights of Kamsan and his family residing in Kumji 2 village of None district.
9-year-old Lungthai Lui Kame of Kumji 2 village in None district, 64 km away from Imphal city, is deprived of her fun-filled childhood days as she is suffering from deadly cancer, acute lymphoblastic leukemia. 46-year-old mother is also bedridden due to an illness since the last 7 years. Not to forget the frail condition of Lung Thailu's 98-year-old maternal grandmother who has lost her sight due to old age. Such is the pitiable condition of Jamdanglung Kamsant and his family. Jamdanglung Kamsant takes up whatever manual work opportunity that comes by as a mechanic and woodcutter to earn for their treatments and to meet other basic necessities of daily life.
Dua angang gipibam si naba haubadagi masi school si lepkre magi sahi nipan sahi mapan sure aduga July thadigi magi school si lepaga magi layeng basi sumaina sathari aduga magi layeng bada ingonda laijaba khrasda orsu pisa khrashu magi layeng bada sumaina thadarga sumaina layengi rims da layeng raga khoina pisa nungsa si khra wat panina October thari sumai yumda pukhalaga hajik phau January phawada sumaina lairi.
Upon visiting the family, Impact News was told that Lung Thailu was diagnosed with leukemia at Infalt Hospital in September last year. She was then referred to Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, for treatment. Since then, Class 3 students Lung Thailu has been deprived of schooling, unable to bear the expenses of necessary medical tests, medicines and accommodation. Her treatment was ceased without the consent of the hospital authority and returned home feeling helpless. The situation reminds us that welfare schemes of the government do not reach every genuine beneficiaries.
Kairoi lekai sing amasung huzik church ki khun gi ahalaman sing nungsiba mayamna khra mateng pibiduna adu anabdu yeng salakpani yenglakpaduda huzik se khoi gi yum sida khoi yambagi yum sida su paisa nungsa se khitang leijabadu su adugi angang du loina thajang khare aduga nungsibiba mayamgi paisa nungsa khra angang gi pijaba paisa du katang su adugi su paisa su losan le haraga khoi se doctor da yaradi refer yumda amu hananga hen haidi haire adubu doctor na di adudu yabide adu orasu ekhoina numi ama ani khatangi orasu ekhoina yumda oina leige hen haibadu da numit ani uhungi khatang doctor na relax to bi bane aduda ekhoi se yum chatluraga paisa nungsa se leitrabani na hojik phawa amu layeng bangamdraga sum leijabane.
Jamdanglung Kamsan and his family are yet to avail the benefits of Chief Minister Gi Hakselgi Tengbang scheme meant for BPL and AAY card holders. The family cannot get the benefits of government's healthcare scheme Ayushman Bharat as it was left out of socio-economic and caste census. Fortunately for the poverty and cancer-stricken innocent Lung Thailu, Helping Hand for People Manipur took the initiative to admit her at Jennings Child Ward on January 24, where she will be undergoing treatment under Dr. Anil Irom of Jennings Hematology Department. For camera person Henry and reporter Donald Sirem, this is Colonel Sambanduram for Impact News.
On the other hand, Imphal West Police apprehended one self-styled medical department staff who sold health card of Chief Minister Gi Hakselgi Tengbang scheme at the rate of 500 rupees per card. The miscreant is identified as Wahengbam Ongbi Sophia, alias Babina, wife of W. Prakash from Bishnupur Ward number 5, who is currently residing at Sagolban, Nepra, Major Lekai. Speaking to media at the conference hall of SP Imphal West today, SP Jogesh Chandra Haubijam stated that a police team acted on the complaint filed by medical officer in charge of Urban Primary Health Center Langol Tarung Wangkhai Mayum Rana Kumari at Imphal Police Station and arrested the miscreant. A case was registered at Imphal Police Station and the miscreant was produced at CJM Imphal West. Jogesh Chandra said that Babina will be kept in police remand for 3 days until January 28 for further investigation.
तौरिबा थबसे मा मथन तौबरा कना कना लोइनना तौबनो हाइना सिगुम्बा अखोगी साजन्नबा अमना डिपार्टमेंट की स्टाफ सारगा चलिबसे मसी आइन के चप चप एक्शन लौरगा मदु तौरिबा जेनरिबा एनीथिंग मसीदा लेरम मियोय खुदिमा अखोय मखा ताना लोइना मो इन्वेस्टिगेशन दा लोइना फारगा चप चाबा दंडी पिरकनी हेबसे मसी प्रजा म्याम थमजगे अदुगा मसीगुम थबकसे यारगदी तौबिदनबा डिपार्टमेंट की मियोय नतना मियोय अमा सारगा थबक तौबसे तौबिगनु हाइना मसी प्रजा म्याम दा मसिम दसु अपील तौजगे.
Meanwhile, in a positive turn of the events, Upa-Pradhan of Khongman Zone 5, Athokpam Premjit Chamba and 6 members offered financial assistance under the initiative of Thongju MLA cum Minister Thongam Biswajit to construct sanitary latrine for the family of 80-year-old Takelambam Ibempishak and her 2 disabled sons. Upa-Pradhan Athokpam Premjit alleged previous representatives of Panchayat for misappropriating government's fund and for failing to provide welfare benefits meant for genuine beneficiaries of Khongman, including Takelambam Ibempishak. He added, Ibempishak will be provided PMAY housing scheme in near future. Speaking to media, the Upa-Pradhan stated that pension is being provided to Ibempishak from T.H. Sajau Memorial Trust, the trust under the local MLA fund meant for deprived persons of the constituency. He added, Ibempishak is also provided with rice under AAY and some money under social welfare pension. Premjit mentioned that necessary medical checkups were conducted for Ibempishak and his 2 sons under the instruction of Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren yesterday. He also said their Aadhaar cards are under process. Premjit maintained that he never sidelined Takelambam Ibempishak and her family. It may be mentioned that Impact News recently made an exclusive coverage on the family of Takelambam Ibempishak. Lifestyle Fitness Gym Sangai Pro Mamang Lekai will provide monthly pension of 5,000 rupees to Takelambam Ibempishak, 80 years old wife of late Mani from Khongman Zone 4 through Thongju constituency social worker Sanglakpam Prashorjit. Representatives of Lifestyle Fitness Gym and social worker Prashorjit visited the residence of Ibempishak and interacted with the family today. The first pension fund was handed over to the family on the occasion. Speaking to media, Prashorjit stated that the pension will be provided for lifetime. He also assured of other assistance in near future. Prashorjit drew the attention of the government to offer necessary assistance to all those in need of help. Unemployment Youth Learners Association observed the 18th death anniversary of former president of Samata Party Manipur State Unit and former Ketrigao MLA Basanta Kumar Wangkhem today. Floral tributes were paid at the portrait of Basanta Kumar Wangkhem during the ceremony held at Porampa Tawan Thaba Lekai Community Hall. Unemployed Youth Diesel Auto Association Kwaketel Konjeng Lekai held its 12th Foundation Day celebration come general body meeting at Lamdong Kwaketel today. Speaking on the occasion, President of the association L. Basanjit asserted that for a state like Manipur with limited resources, unemployed individuals earn livelihood by running diesel auto rickshaws. He urged the government to end undue restrictions imposed on the drivers. The president also appeals to all the drivers not to create inconveniences to the public. Now the sports news. Neroka FC will lock horns with Aizawl FC in a Hero I-League match tomorrow. It may be mentioned that Neroka FC is the first football club of Manipur to participate in the I-League. The home match will be played at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium at 2 p.m. Speaking to media during a pre-match conference in Hotel Grant, Chingmerong today, head coach of Neroka FC, Emmanuel Retamiro Frail, stated that various techniques will be applied to win tomorrow's match. Aizawl FC head coach Stanley Rosario also assured to witness an intense match. Players of Neroka FC were also present during the press meet. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur holds 70th Republic Day celebrations amid boycott and general strike. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren calls to hold discourse on CAP 2016 instead of boycotts and strikes. Boycotts and general strike called by various insurgent groups against 70th Republic Day celebrations cripple normal life in Manipur. Multiple bomb blasts hit Manipur amid tight security measures in view of 70th Republic Day celebrations. No casualty reported. A team of 160 volunteers of AMSU, MSF, Desam, KSA, SUK, AIMS and various women organizations leave for Delhi to intensify agitation against CAP 2016. Ceremonial rituals mark 104th birth anniversary of Rani Gaidinlu. Attendees expressed sadness at the deteriorating condition of Rani Gaidinlu Park.